Ladies and gentlemen, I want to start this video off with something that will make you get a sinking feeling in your stomach. That right there, ladies and gents, that's some oil. Just a little bit, not a big puddle or anything crazy, but nonetheless, not what we want to see when we pull the car out of the garage. Well, I hope that did the trick, because that's the exact emotions I felt when I went in my garage.
Oh, that's really close. Not gonna be able to see anything. I don't know. It's definitely the source, though. I don't know what's right above there. I touched that little hump. That little humpy bumpy. Oil. So ladies and gents, we're going to get the car looked at by one of our friends here. His name's Paul. He used to work for a performance shop. Now I think he does stuff on his own. We're gonna go meet him right now and get a proper diagnosis, because this is truly like the first issue the S4 has ever had. So in a way, that's kind of a good thing, because it's the first and only thing so far, but still, it's like, all right, something's wrong now, which is really unfortunate, and we gotta fix it. So I feel like these cars are never cheap to fix. It's like, all right, one thing's wrong, $1,000. Fingers crossed that it's like an easy fix. If it's just like the oil pan, I don't know. I don't know what to expect. But we're hoping. We got good vibes today, ladies and gents. Come along with us as we take a look. Just kind of see, take you along with, and hopefully, like I said, it's not serious. Obviously, it's an oil leak, so it's not a good thing. But here we go.
Take a gander. What are we looking at?
Ooh. In the valley. Got some freshy. Yeah, that's pretty fresh. What's that? Did you lose something?
What is it? Could be something when we installed the downpipe. Oh, there she is! No way. Can we get it? Do we? That's so funny. We backstory on that, we lost it, and I swapped it out with my buddies because we were going on a rally. We took his car, and that's so funny.
I should have known better. Maybe surprise what you find under here.
Oh my gosh. We're like, where'd it go?
Well, now you can give it to your buddy.
Yeah, right. So, ladies and gentlemen, we found the issue. I didn't vlog immediately after I went there because I was just like tired. I was somehow in the middle of a police chase. Police chase! They're going after a track hog, bro! Oh, there's more cops. I should probably pull over. That was insane! As you guys saw from that quick clip, that was nuts. That was like the closest I've ever been to a police chase. So that was interesting. Just Detroit things, I guess. There was a Trackhawk that absolutely flew by me, and I was like, that was aggressive as hell. And then two cops immediately afterwards like, shoo, shoo. But it was 10 feet from my bumper. Like, I was literally at an intersection, and they turned right in front of me. And then I turned around, saw the Trackhawk just lay on the gas and just try to gap these cops. That was interesting. To the issue, found out that it looks like it's the oil filter housing that is leaking. So ordered an OEM part from Audi. It was like $250. Hopefully that's shipping like today. And then as soon as that gets here, we'll end up getting that fixed. All in all, it's gonna be like $700, which is unfortunate. Not what I wanted to spend money on, especially around the holidays. Just tough, but it's gotta happen. I don't want any leaky oil. And then we found this little piece that I dropped in my engine bay when we were doing my downpipe install. So this is actually off Evan's S5, which is hilarious because I wanted to be able to drive my car home. It's like on the clasp for the downpipe and the turbo, like whatever that mounts to. I feel like I'm just explaining that horribly, but there's a little piece that you need to clamp. And that's that piece. So I texted Evan, I was like, dude, no way you're gonna guess what we just found. And it was that. So that's been sitting in there for about 4,000 miles, which is awesome. I feel like a bit of an idiot, but we did find that. Yeah, hopefully in the next couple weeks, we'll get this issue resolved. Again, it's the first kind of real issue that I've had with this car, which it is what it is. You gotta set money aside for maintenance and things. Because unfortunately stuff happens. But I have today off work. We're running a couple errands. I'm getting lunch with my grandma because I'm a good grandson. Everything's just so gray and yucky. I'd almost rather it be snow. I'm not a huge fan of the snow, although I'm a skier. It just doesn't, like this time of year, it's 37 degrees. It's mid-December. Not a fan, not a fan. I'd rather live in like Florida or Arizona or something. I wanted to like go fast, but I can't. Oh well. All right, we made it back to the crib, but I wanted to brainstorm. Since we got the day off work and some light out, since I normally get home from work and it's dark, I figured let's take a second to kind of plan. Went over it a couple times in a couple separate videos, but for this garage, there's so much potential. The walls right now, where it's like normal, I don't know, call this normal wall, bare wall, they are these kind of pegboard things which are expensive and like nice. They're just like this cardboard color though, so I want to paint these. Also, as you can see, there are places where they don't cover, but it covers all the way over there, and they're like different colors. Like that one's a little lighter, that one's a little darker. So if I paint these the same color, I think it'll look more uniform. And then this little section over here, they're not covered. I don't know, is insulation worth it? The answer is like yes, but at the same time, it would kind of be a lot of labor. Fortunately, I have a couple friends who have already kind of volunteered to help. If I wanted to do this project, we could potentially knock it out in a weekend. Yeah, I don't know, the insulation would probably be major since we got some gappage. It's cold here in Michigan, so it's one of those things. Just kind of thinking out loud, want to share my opinions. Also, I need to get an electric garage door opener, man. This is getting old. It's a manual thing, I gotta pull it up every time. And flooring. Now flooring, I did some research. I found this company called Vevor, V-E-V-O-R. They have floor tiles, they're like Swiss tracks, but they're not as expensive, which is nice. So for a 400 square foot garage, I think we're looking at like $400 or $500 to cover the entire thing. So that is also an option. I would love to get some ideas in the comments though, if you guys have tackled projects like this on your own. And then I haven't used this at all, man. This is all empty still. I put the car wash stuff up in those, and then this back unit I just have not utilized to its potential. Although it's so clean and so nice. I don't know what to do with it. I don't even think I have anything. Did I put the paint down here? No, I didn't even put anything down there. All right, well, fortunately, it is just a small leak. So we have the fix on the way. We got an oil filter housing ordered, and it is probably in the mail right now, which is really good news. Probably gonna be fixed within the next couple weeks. Is it the first thing that's happened bad with this car? Yes. Is that a good thing? No. Is it good that we were able to mitigate and find the cause of the leak early? Absolutely. Now, fortunately, Paul found it really quickly. Guy's a genius. Super cool tool that he used to like snake in there with the camera. It's winter in Michigan and content is not hard to come by, but limited, I feel like. So if there's anything in Michigan that you guys are familiar with over the winter car-wise that you recommend I go to or like partake in, I would appreciate feedback in the comments because I feel like there's just not a lot to do, not a lot to report on. So I would appreciate it greatly. If you guys are new to the channel and want to see more stuff, hit subscribe, hit the like button for the algorithm. It truly helps. Until next time, ladies and gents, it's Christmas Eve as I'm uploading this. So have a great holiday. Happy New Year. Let's kick off 2024. All that business. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see ya.